So I'll pass the mic to you, Direk. Or Kuya Julius.
Um, Gusto ko na unahin ko muna magbigay ng update tungkol sa ano, no? So I've been distributing for two Montañosa Films Festival uh, finalists, the previous winners of the 14 days, which to share to everyone that it has been able to get into three international LGBTQ film festivals. The other one is yung kay Shem Badwa, which was able to get into the C-related films international. So those are where these films are going. Uh, to add to that, yung kay I've seen yung kay Pagsasan. She's I'm the producer. By the way, was able to get into Cinema Alternativo, which was shown in CCP last Cinemalaya. Kasabay ng Cinemalaya was the Cine Alternativo. So pinalabas siya together with all the films, winning films ng Montañosa Film Festival. So these are some of the directions. People are being able to go out and watch films again. Yung crowd pa lang, even if ang hirap-hirap manood ng pelikula sa DICC for Cinemalaya this 2023, ang daming nag-troop. I mean, halos punuan yung mga films. So you see that there are people who are directing themselves towards this alternative films, independent films, on top of their option to watch also the commercial films. Nakita din naman natin kung paano nag-gain ng audience ang Metro Manila Film Festival. So we're saying that the film, all the moviegoers are tending towards getting back. Sana nga lang bumaba yung ticket talaga ng sine. Yun lang naman ang isa sa mga bagay na nag-hold back sa atin para manood ulit. Kaya tayo nakatutok doon sa maliit na screen. We're going online because we chose to go online dahil mas mura siya rather than going sa widescreen movie houses.
Sir Raymond, would you like to add on it?
Yeah, I forgot to mention regional film festivals like Montañosa Film Festival is also making this conscious effort na ma-decentralize ang film industry sa Metro Manila. Hindi na lang yung Metro Manila ngayon ang focus area ng filmmaking. And we at Montañosa Film Festival, as we can see, as everyone can see, we are growing. We are equipping all our filmmakers para dun sa direction na yan, yung pag-decentralize ang ating film industry. And of course, pinaka-main goal din natin sa Montañosa is to create that industry in the Cordillera.